Now, this is how we can turn a website into an app on the iPhone. So if you're new here on this channel, subscribe so you never miss anything important and we can get into it. So whenever you are browsing any website, like let's say I'm going to go to some of the examples, like let's say I'm going to just type in here the apple.com, right? And this is just like a regular website. Right now we are inside of the Safari, right? So as you can tell, it is basically in here. So when I want to add this to my home screen as like an app, right, in quotes, what I can do is to tap on the three dots next to the URL and tap on the share button to make these options appear. From those, I tap on the arrow to view more, and then I can quickly add it to the home screen. This gives me the ability to change the name of it. You can see that this URL is like part of this. It's integrated into it, and we also have the icon, which we cannot really control. It's taken from the actual website. But the important part is this use as web app toggle at the bottom, which I need to have enabled, right? This is the important part. Just make sure it's turned on, and now you can click on add. You can see it has been added to my home screen, and right now if I click on it, it gets inside and loads up the very same website. But the difference is that I don't have the Safari UI. I don't have like the URL in here, right? It's not like I can still like move around and open links and everything, but I don't have the bookmarks or other Safari features, and it kind of behaves like a standalone app, right? It even you can see it's separate from the Safari in the Apple, right? It's like this is the name of this app in quotes, right? Because if I hold it down on it, it is only telling me that this is a bookmark, which it really is, but it kind of works as a standalone app sort of. So I hope that I was able to explain it. Let me know your thoughts and opinions about it below. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.